This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, October 16th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image. From last evening, you can see some cloudiness extending from the Pacific coast across the Rockies, the plains, into the Great Lakes states, with a few showers there and some showers over the Florida Panhandle. Otherwise, the rest of the nation is fairly quiet. Watch morning map is also fairly quiet as well. Few wind issues over the Great Lakes, some frost advisories over the Appalachian Mountains in North Carolina. Otherwise, it's quiet. QBF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock shows almost little, if any, rainfall over the next 5 days. Although this may be a bit dry, there could be some rainfall overnight and later on Monday. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a large vortex over eastern and Canada with strong westerly winds aloft. At the surface, a bit of a disturbance that produced a few showers over overnight hours. Will be east of here with some decreasing cloudiness across the state. But Monday, however, rain begins to move back into the state, this mainly affecting the southern part of the state with a few showers that'll last through Monday afternoon and into the evening and overnight hours. By Tuesday, that is gone and colder air comes in, 540 line down into Iowa. So temperatures will likely be in the low 50s, maybe a few upper 40s possible. Wednesday morning will start off quite chilly, lows in the mid to upper 20s in the cooler areas, otherwise lower to middle 30s, with highs struggling to 50 degrees. Thursday, be a bit warmer after a few morning lows in the lower to middle 30s, maybe a few upper 20s. Highs will climb into the 50s to around 60, maybe a few low 60s. Friday, a few degrees warmer, southwesterly winds, highs upper 50s to about the mid 60s. Under mostly sunny skies with a few afternoon clouds. Saturday, about the same. Highs in the 60s, lows in about the upper 30s to about the mid 40s, with sunshine and maybe a few passing clouds here and there. Week from today, the 23rd, see a bit of a ripple in the flow from west to east over the plain states and western Great Lakes. And at the surface, a new storm system will move in with a few showers, maybe an isolated clap of thunder, with highs in the 60s, which is seasonal for the middle to end of October. We head further into Voodoo, October the 27th. Big trough over the Great Lakes states down into this area, and at the surface, a low pressure over Lake Superior, dragging a frontal system down. More reminiscent of storm systems you see in the winter, as this storm would be coming from Alberta, so an Alberta Clipper. At the end of the forecast, Halloween. West-east flow with a bit of a ripple just to our west, and another one well off into the Canadian Maritimes. And at the surface, a little bit of a disturbance northwest of us, a tropical system over Baja, big storm system over the Gulf of Alaska, and another one over the Canadian Maritimes, so fairly quiet around Halloween time. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.